We have a special one here, the performance model finished in Daytona green. The way they changed the face is completely different. 1, 2, 3. Whop. We have the exact same taillights. Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive and today it's the day. Today we will be testing the all new 2025 model Audi RS e-tron GT, and here comes the facelift. But as you can already see, it's not a regular one. This here is one of the best ones. This one here is the Audi RS e-tron GT Performance, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about it. First things first, this is the facelifted model. It's faster, it's more efficient, we have more range, and we can even charge it faster. So let's get on and let me tell you everything you need to know about. First things first, the base car, the S e-tron GT, will be available at 126,000 euros with 679 horsepower. Then in between the base one and this here is the RS e-tron, which is the RS e-tron GT, which will cost you around 147,000 euros with a total system output of 856 horsepower. But if that's not enough for you, I've got this one here. This here is the performance model of the Audi RS e-tron GT, which gives us a total output of 925 horsepower. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 2.5 seconds. We will be driving it and I will show you that as well. With a total weight of 2,400 kilos, this is quite impressive. We have an electric range up to plus 600 kilometers. We can now even charge the battery with up to 300 kilowatts. When we did actually charge the car, we also reached 320 kilowatts. I saw that for the first time ever. We do the 10 to 80% in 18 minutes. It's crazy. We have a special one here, the performance model finished in Daytona green, and I will tell you why this is one of the best sports EVs money can buy, and it's so much better than all the competitors. I actually got these two Audi caps. If you're interested in winning one of these, one is finished in white and the other is finished in black. Leave a comment with hashtag Team Audi, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will be choosing some winners for these caps. Let's continue with the video. First things first, what Audi didn't change are the headlights. These are exactly the same, laser LED headlights. The shape, everything is actually copy paste. But what they did change is, you can already see that here by the forged carbon parts, which will instantly tell you that it's a performance model. They've added these on the front bumper, on the side skirt. We also have that on the side mirrors. Also the front, the way they changed the face is completely different. Also with the updated Audi rings here, you can see that here. There you go. I wish these would be also illuminated. Maybe you get that in the US, but I'm not sure. On the side you can already see the new wheel setup here. Car sitting extremely low, and there's something that I have to show you. Just concentrate on the wheel. As soon as I open up the door, watch this. 1, 2, 3. Whop. The car moves all the way up, I think 5 to 7 centimeters. When I close the door, crazy, right? Easy entrance. We had that with the A8 already. Porsche Taycan did it, and now the Audi RS e-tron GT is doing it as well. We have latest wheel setup here, which look extremely cool, Y-shaped, with the center part here. These are 21 inches, and then we have the carbon ceramic brakes in the back here, which come as standard with the performance. On the side here you can actually charge the car. Here you go, and then just open that. You have the AC and DC charging. Here you go. As I mentioned, side mirrors are also finished in this, they call it carbon camouflage. It's actually forged carbon fiber. Which looks pretty cool and interesting down here as well. You get that only with a performance model, and as I mentioned, as soon as you open up the door, the car lifts up for easy entrance. And now let's talk about the rear. Also with the rear, when we talk about that, there's not a single change, but just a few highlights that I have to show you. First things first, we have the exact same taillights. These are exactly the same as we had with the previous model. They didn't change them at all. The only thing that they changed is here with the performance model. This is a diffuser finished in forged carbon fiber as well. We have this additional reflector. It's not a light. I wish this would be a light. I'm not sure if it's allowed in Germany or Europe in general, but this would be so cool, F1 inspired. E-Tron GT here on the side. The RS emblem as well. Love it. You can also lift up the spoiler. We have this new Audi emblem and badge here. I wish this was also illuminated. Unfortunately not. And you can open up the back. Let me just do that here. With a click of a button, you have plenty of space. There you go. You can also put down both seats to have more space. Right over here. You can just lift it up. As soon as you remove that, you can just lift that up. Here you can put the cables, whatever. It's all up to you. Closing trunk again. There you go. And now let me show you one of my favorite changes about the car. First things first, here, Audi RS e-tron lasered inside here. Really cool. As soon as I open the door, yet again, it lifts all the way up, and then we have the interior. So here we are now right inside the all new Audi RS e-tron GT performance model here, which comes with the latest steering wheel here. How do you guys like the all new and updated steering wheel here? I have to be honest, I really like it. I'm a huge fan of it. Flat bottom and top finish here, as you can see here. Also with the 12 o'clock mark, all finished in Alcantara for the performance model. We have the new Audi rings here. We have an RS button here. As soon as you also push it, it will just give you the RS1 here in the menu. And then we also have a boost button. It's pretty cool. We'll also demonstrate you that later on. Steering wheel heater. Here you have all these touch buttons. You can see just here you can just lower the volume. You see that on the left hand side here, just control menu for the driver's display here. It's pretty easy to use. Flat bottom RS emblem as well. Really cool Alcantara finish. Something that I really don't like is that the airbag cover is actually finished in plastic. I wish they had a better solution for that. Alcantara finish on the airbag cover would have been amazing. In the inside, yet again, you will find plenty of forged and camouflaged carbon finishes, which I really like. And we have a quite special model here. We are talking about an Audi exclusive RS e-tron GT performance here, which means that in the inside everything is more special, with this one also being a full vegan interior. Yeah, this is not real leather. The materials used kind of look like leather, but they are not. The finish is pretty impressive. The color that they've chosen here is also pretty cool. We have the RS emblem here next to the headrest. Also, yeah, the roof, everything is finished in Alcantara Dinamica. Also here on the side, something that I really loved, and I have to mention it, is you actually know the speakers, they are always finished in black, you know. Also the Bang & Olufsen ones that we have here, but here on the top you can see they have even painted it in the exact same color with the material used here, with the leather or the Dinamica finish here, and that really matches and kind of fits the style. All in all, the interior material used and the quality is perfect. For example, the door handles here, they look special, you know. Everything here is finished in this black, very dark tone here. The touches also all around the air vents here as well. I really like it. The shift pedals, shift knobs, everything here with the buttons finished in this dark chrome finish. All in all, there's actually no change at all. We have a start stop button, we have the shifter here. As soon as I just push the pedal, you can just start the car. Here you go, the car's actually ready to drive, and then you just put it into drive and you hear the sound, and then you just put it in park again. There you go. It's pretty easy to use. How do you guys like the seat style here with the materials used? Audi exclusive interior. You can go with any individualization option you want. You can just have your unique one-of-one created. Hit them up if you're interested. Just connect with your dealer and they will give you all the insights, all the information about it. I really like it all around. Also here the same color to match. We have literally no single plastic part. I mean, there's just a few, let's say here on the door handle here. I wish this was also finished in leather or something. Or yeah, the main buttons. I'm just fine with all of these. But all in all, the entire interior, the finish, the steering wheel is really nice. How do you guys like it?